director cameraman, I shoot a lot of action. I use different camera platforms to capture those action sequences. GoPro is one of those platforms. So when DJI sent me the Osmo Action for review, I thought it might be a good opportunity to compare the stabilization with the new kid on the block, the Osmo Action camera. So we're here at the Mob Shop. I'm with Jules.
Hello.
We're going to take the Rocky Mountain Beast up on Shelf Road and have some fun.
We're gonna get it going.
Well, there you have it. I think it's fair to say that given the sharp impact you've seen in this mountain bike test, that the Osmo Action really exceeds expectations. And in fact, in this particular test, it betters the GoPro 7. It does so by cropping in the image a little tighter than probably you might want, but you really get the stabilization with these sharp impacts that you see in this mountain bike test.